to have Palak as our interior decorator. And earlier, as always, like as everybody else as well, like we were a bit confused that how it is going to be worked out, but it really did go well. And ultimately, we can say that we are living in a pretty good house decorated by Palak. So we are very grateful to her and her team. And eventually, we have figured out that the people of different agencies were quite helpful, and everybody was very in understanding. So we did not have faced much challenges towards working with her, and it was pleasure. Thank you.
So to start with, this is the entrance of the house. So we have created this safety door. यहाँ पे हमने double door safety door लिया हुआ है. Then we have kept this louvers so that whenever somebody comes, you can see from inside. Also, if you have somebody जिसको सिर्फ car keys देना है या कोई packet लेना है, so you don't even have to open this door. You can easily use these louvers and get it done. So then we have this very nice finished handle over here. And we have made this in the double door, so it is a double flip doors for the safety door. So let me show you the house. Come on in. So once you come inside, after the safety door, we have this main door. ये जो है पूरा wooden finish door है with polish. यहाँ पे we have given some grooves, and then there is a very nice huge wooden handle over this side. उसके पीछे हमने एक ब्रॉन्ज मिरर लगाया हुआ है which gives a very elegant look, and it also gives you a reflection, so it is going very well with the wooden finish also. And I just love this wooden handle over here. On the back side of the door also we have the same finish, because when you shut this door from the living in the kitchen, all you can see is the back of the door. So you should never miss that part of the door कि आगे से ही अच्छा करना है, because it's on the front side, but you should always keep some design on the behind side also. So as I mentioned earlier, this is the back side of the main door. So यहाँ पे भी हमने वही डिज़ाइन कंटिन्यूएशन में लिया है जो कि हमने फ्रंट साइड किया था. So this is the wooden long handle and the mirror and the wooden finish grooves and all. So once you enter in the living area, you see this very nice big space, because this is an open kitchen concept, so there is no wall in between the living room and kitchen. So it gives a very elegant look once you enter in the house, because there is no boundary to the living for the kitchen. Now when you enter, on the left side we have this very huge and big wall which we have utilized in multi-purpose way, and also at the same time we have made sure कि वो ज़्यादा heavy भी ना हो जाए, because it's a part of living area, and once you enter, that is your highlighter wall. So from the start, behind the door we have this unit which is also a multi-purpose unit. So for the finishing, it's acrylic finish, and we have this shoe rack cum console cum show art piece over here. So नीचे की तरफ हमने पूरे जो drawers दिए हैं, those are the shoe rack drawers, and it looks very seamless and neat and clean, and they have the groove opening. On the top we have this push magnet storage, so that you can keep your storage, daily storage over here and here, and we have provided this two open shelf, so that if we do not provide some open shelf or some designing over here, it looks like it's a dead storage, which is not good, because you are sitting on the sofa and you are always going to focus on this side of the wall. So consciously we have done this, that we have provided two open shelves so that you can put some artifacts or other items, so it looks good and balancing. Then this is the storage. After that we have this huge wall, so we have placed a TV on this wall. On the back of this TV, which is our highlighter wall, we have this acrylic paneling with this golden strip, so it looks very elegant, and at the same time it gives you very classy look also. And I personally feel that if you go for such kind of design, you never get bored of these things, because you are going to see this wall every day. It has to be subtle, but at the same time it has to look very classy also. So this is the entire wall paneling for that. And on the below side we have this TV unit with some storage. So again we have gone for the white, classic white over here, which has this drawer storages. And then once you are finishing the TV unit wall, we have this puja unit. So based on the direction of Vastu also and other criteria, this was the best placement for that puja unit. So we have this puja unit. So जो puja unit की shutter है, as you can see, those are in transparent glass. Whenever the puja doors are shut, you can also see the entire puja unit. So once you open the shutters, we have this panel over here which has the steps so that you can keep your idols, and on the back side we have this acrylic and PU finish, and we have this concealed lights which looks amazing, and then we have this hanging bells on top of that, and then there is a carving. So this is the puja unit and it has the soft close shutters. Below that we have this tray. So you can easily see the entire living area also. So when you enter in the house, you don't get the feeling कि यहाँ पे एक partition की वजह से the room काफी छोटा लग रहा है. So when you enter, because of this open kitchen, you get the idea that the house is very elegant and big. So this is the concept over here. When you're cooking, you can also see on the living side and also on the main side area. So now we have a huge granite platform on this side. So ये जो पूरा modular kitchen है, that is in the acrylic finish, और अंदर के जो basket है वो tandem में गए हुए हैं, and then there is a soft close in the entire kitchen. We have taken the classy white kitchen because the top is also black granite, so it goes very well in the theme over here and it looks spacious. So on the other side we have this service platform. Over there we have selected this elegant grey for the shutters, and then on the top we have given this drawer for the easy utility use, and नीचे की तरफ we have provided this openable shutters for the storage, and then on the center we have this space which can be utilized as a service platform also, and then there is a overhead shutters. Over the top we have this loft which again we have taken in this grey theme. On the side we have this tall unit which is an electronic hub also, and then there is a storage. So entire unit is handleless for the very neat and clean look, and this is a very spacious kitchen, so we did not face any challenge while designing this because enough light, space and all the circulation movement were very free over here. So we have this ceiling in the kitchen. So generally if you have the enclosed kitchen, we provide just the normal ceiling light over here, but as I mentioned, it's an open kitchen concept, so here also we have gone for this 3-in-1 lights, and here we have placed one track light which is focusing towards the kitchen side, so it also gives a very nice look only when these lights are on. So now let me show you the kids bedroom of the house. So now we are in the most beautiful room of this house, that is the daughter's room. And as you all know, we love designing kids room the most. So यहाँ का जो requirement था client की तरफ से, that was like the daughter is in 7th grade. So definitely they wanted a very nice princessy and cute room, but at the same time उनका ये भी रिक्वायरमेंट था कि उनको सस्टेनेबल डिजाइन चाहिए. सो ओवर द पीरियड ऑफ टाइम ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि आफ्टर 2 years or 3 years शी कम्स अप एंड से कि नहीं आई डोंट लाइक दिस डिजाइन एनी मोर. सो व्हाट वी हैव डन इज वी हैव गॉन फॉर अ वेरी नाइस पेस्टल पिंक एंड वाइट कॉम्बिनेशन to give a nice look also, and it is a sustainable color also. So first of all उनका जो requirement था ये रूम के लिए, that was a bed with a nice bed back, और client को जो bed है वो fully upholstery bed चाहिए था. Then there has to be a wardrobe, and of course as I mentioned it's a daughter's room. उनका requirement ये भी था कि उनको बहुत ही अच्छा वाला एक dresser चाहिए, then study and this open space. So let me first show you how we have designed this room in the 3D. कॉम्बिनेशन लिया हुआ है, ग्रीड में किया है ये वार्डरोब. सो वी हैव केप्ट दिस बैक पेंटेड ग्लास ऑन द वार्डरोब शटर्स which has 2 colors. One which we have taken on the headboard, that is pastel pink, and then there is a white color for the balancing act. ये दोनों स्लाइडर वार्ड शटर्स है. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल ये जो वार्डरोब है वो हमने फ्लोर टू सीलिंग टच वार्डरोब लिया हुआ है. सो बिकॉज दिस इज अ किड्स रूम, हमें ये चाहिए था कि वो अपने हिसाब से भी पूरा रूम यूज कर पाए, एंड एवरी टाइम दे डोंट हैव टू बी डिपेंडेंट ऑन द पेरेंट्स टू गेट द स्टफ आउट. सो अंदर का जो डिवीजन है वो हमने उसी हिसाब से किया है दैट शी कैन ऑल्सो यूज इट. तो जो जनरली हैंगर रोड्स होते हैं वो थोड़े ऊपर की हाइट पे होते हैं, बट हियर वी हैव केप्ट इट ऑन द लोअर लेवल. नीचे आपका स्टोरेज एंड ड्रॉवर्स आ जाते हैं, एंड जो लॉफ्ट का पोर्शन है वहां पे भी हमने एक शेल्फ दे दिया है सो दैट एक्स्ट्रा आइटम्स कैन गो अप ओवर देयर. And over this side also we have provided some shelf and the drawers, and ऊपर एक, और ये सारे जो shelf है वो सारे removable shelf है. So if they want to remove any shelf and adjust it somewhere else, they can do that also. So this is the wardrobe. For the highlighter lights over here, see basically the POP is there and we have given the light fixture over here. But यहाँ पे highlighter wall के ऊपर हमने 2 hanging light भी ली है, which has a very nice rose pink finish on that, and it is looking very nice. It also works as a night lamp. So you can see this is a very elegant piece of light over here. So now let me show you the study and the dressing side. So on the left side of the bed we have given this study unit. यहाँ पे we have given a very slick and sober study unit. As you can see, बेड के बाजू में ये स्टडी टेबल आ रहा है, सो वी हैव टू ऑलवेज मेक श्योर कि उसकी जो एजेस है वो काफी डीप कर्व वाली हो, बिकॉज यहाँ पे बेड है एंड यहाँ पे स्टडी टेबल है. दो इट इज अ किड्स रूम, सो वी हैव टू बी वेरी श्योर कि ये एजेस कर्व रहे. बट इवन नॉर्मल कोई भी रूम के लिए भी वी ऑलवेज सजेस्ट कि अगर आपके बेड के एडजॉइनिंग कुछ भी फर्नीचर आ रहा है, मेक श्योर इट हैज अ वेरी नाइस कर्व ऑन द साइड, अदरवाइज इट कैन हर्ट एनीबडी. नीचे का जो लेग है दैट इज ऑल्सो राउंड लेग. यहाँ पे हमने साइड में ड्रॉवर एंड शटर स्टोरेज लिया हुआ है विद अ वेरी नाइस एंड क्यूट नॉब. ये दिस इज अ ओपनेबल शटर, सो दिस डज नॉट नीड एनी हैंडल ओवर हियर. ऊपर हमने एक ओपन शेल्फ दे दिया है सो दे कैन कीप देयर हैंडी स्टफ. दिस इज ऑल्सो ओपन फॉर द बुक शेल्फ. एंड देन दिस 4 shutters we have given a push magnet shutter, so they can just open it, use it like this. हमें इसको बहुत ओवर क्राउडेड स्पेस नहीं बनाना था, तो ऊपर का जो स्पेस है उसको हमने ओपन ही छोड़ दिया है. दे कैन कीप देयर स्टफ ओवर देयर आल्सो. एंड देन देयर इज अ स्पेस फॉर द चेयर ओवर हियर. यहाँ पे हमने कोई ड्रॉवर वगैरह नहीं लिया है बिकॉज वी हैव द इनफ स्टोरेज ओवर द साइड्स एंड ऑन द टॉप. यू नीड अ प्रॉपर स्पेस कि जहाँ पे आप लंबे टाइम के लिए भी आराम से बैठ पाओ. सो आई ऑलवेज प्रीफर कि नीचे की जो जगह है वो आप ओपन छोड़ दो इफ यू हैव द इनफ स्टोरेज ऑन द साइड्स एंड द टॉप्स. यहाँ का जो कलर कॉम्बिनेशन है वहां पे हमने ग्रे एंड व्हाइट कलर कॉम्बिनेशन यूज किया है बिकॉज एज आई मेंशन वी जस्ट वांटेड टू हाईलाइट दिस एक्सेंट बेड बैक वॉल ओवर हियर. So there was one more conscious decision क्योंकि हमें स्टडी टेबल यहाँ रखना था because as you can see there is a huge opening over here and they have very nice sunlight coming inside. So यहाँ पे natural light भी बहुत ही अच्छी आती है. So that was a conscious decision because they have very nice sunlight over here, direct sunlight. So यहाँ पे हमने स्टडी टेबल लिया है and on the other side we have the dresser. Let me show you that. So we have this beautiful dresser area over here. So as I mentioned earlier, client की requirement थी कि उनको बहुत ही अच्छा एक ड्रेसर चाहिए. यहाँ पे हमें थोड़ा सा डिजाइन एलिमेंट के साथ भी काफी प्ले किया हुआ है. एंड वी हैव दिस वेरी नाइस राउंड चेयर, customized upholstery chair over here which has this grooves and it looks very elegant. Also we have matched this chair with the color of pastel pink which we have taken for this room. So after this chair we have this storage, so it has semi shut storage and then we have this very nice open storage in the curve. We have this mirror over here. So यहाँ पे हमने क्या किया है कि मिरर जो है although we have this drawers in the center, मिरर हमने नीचे तक लिया हुआ है. यहाँ पे जो मिरर है वो यहाँ पे हमने हाफ कर्व में लिया हुआ है as you can see, बट मिरर को हमने फ्लोर टच तक लिया हुआ है. बीच में we have given this ledge and this storage. So this is the storage drawer for that stuff and we have not given any knobs on that because when you sit on the chair it's always a better idea कि ये आपका सामने का सरफेस जो है वो प्लेन रहे. एंड देन वी हैव दिस स्टोरेज. तो यहाँ का जो स्टोरेज है वो कवर्ड स्टोरेज है. दिस यू कैन ओपन फ्रॉम द साइड्स and then we have shelves inside. So ये मल्टीपर्पज तरीके से आपका यूज हो जाता है. If you want to use it as a dresser storage you can do that. If you want to use it for any other stationery storage it can be used for that also. Over this side we have given the open shelf so that आपका ड्रेसर का स्टोरेज है, सॉफ्ट टॉयज है या anything else you want to keep it you can keep that also. And then below we have the shut storage again because it's easy to maintain. बीच में हमने जो मिरर दिया है वो भी हमने थोड़ा सा साइड बॉर्डर छोड़ के दिया हुआ है फॉर गिविंग इट अ वेरी नाइस लुक. सो यहाँ पे जो मिरर है वो हमने नीचे तक लिया हुआ है बिकॉज इट गिव्स यू अ रिफ्लेक्शन एंड इल्यूजन दैट द स्पेस इज बिगर. So this is the dresser unit. So now one more thing, the curtain selection. So for the curtains also we have gone for this very beautiful peach colors. Okay, so this is it for the kids room. Now let me show you the master bedroom. So this is the master bedroom of the house. Let me first show you how we have designed this in the 3D. for this master bedroom, client का जो brief था, it was very elegant and simple. They did not wanted a very loud color in this bedroom. So here on the bed back side, हमने इसको highlighter wall बनाया हुआ है. We have done the paneling on the entire wall, which is a charcoal shade, and उसके ऊपर हमने ये golden पट्टी का highlighter किया हुआ है. For the bed and the side unit, client wanted a wooden bed with polish. So this is a very nice wooden bed with a natural polish on that. And on the bed sides, we have these two very nice side units. Again, it is in the wood with polish. And this is a opening shutter over here. As you can see, the detail of opening the drawer is very slick and elegant, and it has the self design on the drawer as well. On the other side, we have this wardrobe, which is a 2 slider door wardrobe, which has the mirror on it, and it has a self design also. So this is about the wardrobe. And we have a TV unit. Client did not wanted any storage on the TV wall because it was coming in the passage. So we have kept the passage open. And then we have one light which is falling on the highlighter wall. So it gives a very nice look when only that light is on. So as you can see, in the master bedroom we have taken the grey tint also. So on the wall also we have done the grey paint. For curtain also we have selected a material which has the grey self design in that, and we have provided the floor to ceiling touch curtain to make the room very elegant, and इसकी वजह से जो room की height है वो भी visually आपको काफी अच्छी लगती है. So these are the curtains and we have a very beautiful view over here. So it complements the entire look of the room also when you open the curtain. On the wall also we have taken the shade of grey, so it goes very well with the entire theme. Let me show you one more storage which we have in the entrance. So when you enter in this room, behind the door we have this passage, so we have utilized this space for the storage, and on the finished side we have given the same finish which we have taken on the back side of the headboard, and then we have put this concealed black handle, and we have utilized this space likewise. So this is it for the master bedroom. Let me take you to the guest bedroom of the house. So ये जो गेस्ट बेडरूम के लिए क्लाइंट की जो ब्रीफ थी, इट वाज वेरी मिनिमल. उनको ये स्पेस को ओवर क्राउडेड नहीं करना था, बट एट द सेम टाइम दे वांटेड टू यूटिलाइज दिस रूम इन अ मल्टीपर्पज वे. सो यहाँ पे हमने एक सोफा कम बेड रखा हुआ है, एंड देन डेफिनेटली वी ऑल नीड स्टोरेज. तो यहाँ पे हमने एक काफी जायंट वार्डरोब किया हुआ है. ऑन दिस वार्डरोब वी हैव गिवन दिस वेरी नाइस stone finish laminate, and to complement that we have this matte finish handle over here which is concealed handle, and this is a big floor to ceiling touch wardrobe. And as you can see, we have given the division as per the requirement of the client. On the bottom we have these two individual drawers. They have a very good storage inside also. We have this passage over here. So consciously हमने ये जो ड्रॉवर है वहाँ पे हमने ग्रूव वाला ओपनिंग दिया है rather than giving any handle, because when you walk down from this passage, अगर आप हैंडल या कुछ देते हो there are chances कि वो फंसेगा या लगेगा. So always make sure कि wardrobe में नीचे जब आप पैसेज दे रहे हो then the space is clear. So this is a wardrobe, 2 shutter sliding wardrobe. So here we have this very comfortable sofa cum bed, and this is a poppy blue color which goes really nice with the stone finish laminate which we have taken for the wardrobe, and also the wooden flooring. So this is a multi-purpose bed in the guest bedroom. So this is it guys for this home. So let me know how you like it. If you like our work, please like, share and subscribe, and we are coming up with more and more beautiful projects, so stay tuned. You can also follow us on our Instagram handle, that is Palaksha Interiors. See you, take care.